Hello everyone, I'm Sevinch from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to delete an Instagram post permanently or archive it to be restored later. Instagram users want to delete the photos in their account for various reasons. In our video, we'll explain how to delete Instagram photos one by one and how to delete them collectively. You can delete an Instagram post from your feed by tapping the delete option that is attached to all of your posts. You can archive your Instagram post using a similar process, though archiving will only hide your photo from others instead of deleting it. Once you delete a post from Instagram, there is no way to recover it. You'll have to make another post. Instagram lets you post photos and videos on a feed and share your life with your followers, an activity that more than 1 billion people around the world participate in every month. It's also a great way to catalog your favorite memories, from birthdays and anniversaries to special meals or trips abroad. But what if you post something on Instagram that you didn't mean to, or decide later that you no longer want a post to appear on your account? It is possible to delete an Instagram post in just a few simple steps. You can also archive posts instead of deleting them so that they are visible to you and no one else. There is no way to recover deleted posts from you can restore archived ones. Here's how to delete or archive your Instagram post on both your iPhone or Android. So, how can we delete an Instagram post? At first, open your phone's Instagram app and in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap the profile icon. On your Instagram profile page, find and tap the photo you want to delete. And on the photo page, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. These three dots sit in a horizontal line to the right of your username above the photo. And in the pop-up that appears, select the delete option. And in the next pop-up window that appears, select delete again to permanently remove the photo. So just like that. I don't want to delete it, so I just wanted to show you, but you can choose delete option from there. And then how to archive an Instagram post. Archiving a post will hide it from anyone but you. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner and select the photo from your feed that you want to archive. For example, this one. And tap the three horizontal dots to the right of your username and tap Archive from the pop-up menu that appears. Just tap Archive. And while you can't undelete a post, you can always unarchive posts. On the archive page, simply tap on a post and click the three-dot menu at the top right of the screen and select Show on Profile. This will return the post to your profile page along with the comments and likes the post occurred prior to your archiving it. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.